In this episode, we'll work on the clients and the team section of our unique single-page website. Welcome to webtrickshome. Hey guys, welcome to webtrickshome. In this episode, we'll work on the clients and the team section of our unique single-page website. That'll make only the last section of our website, contact section, remaining. Let's get started. So the portfolio section is done. Now we have to go to the client section, and it's quite easy as well. Just create a form to insert images for clients, and if you want to add links, you can add links as well. That's all. So we'll create a table here. PHP addition make model client -m. That will create a migration table file as well. So let's go with the client table, client model, and just copy it, right? Go to the client model and just change the name to clients. Let's make it CLID. Now let's go to the client section on migration file and just simply add table string, and that will be image, right? Because we have got a universal code for image. Data table, and that should be link. This might be nullable. If you don't have the links, you can leave it empty. Then dollar table string, and let's keep status over here, right? So the client's section is almost done. The table is ready to migrate, and the table is migrated now. So let's go on to create dashboard page for client. Let's set this one as client, right? So I will take this. Table name will root will be client. Table name is clients, right? So there's no title, just image on top, right? Then we'll have link, and then we'll have the category. Sorry, we'll have the status. That's all we'll need. It's done, right? So we'll go to the route and create a route. Clients and display and controller and clients. So it's a small file, so we can add another section just to display all the clients on the left right hand side, right? So we can do that with the category table. We have got this thing here. You can copy this one and simply paste it here, right? View all clients for his dollar data as dollar category. That will be client. Client, right? And the ID will be CLID. And if there's no data, we can add if dollar data at else at inif, and here we can create a row with call span full, right? it's found. And this is clients done, so we'll go to the master blade and create clients just like the categories. Clients, and here also clients. We can make it nav menus, right? So we'll go to the admin controller and create the same as portfolio. So there will be clients, and this will be data, clients, and no matter if its status is on and off, I can insert client, and this will be data, right? So let's go on to click on the clients and see this one. There's nothing showing over here, so what we can do is if dollar data else count dollar data is greater than 0. Let's do it that way. No clients found, right? And go on to create a route, and let's check key for the route. This is the URI. Route is to post and client, and that will go to CRUD controller at insert data. Now we can simply add the logos. Let's say Samsung is the first one. Has add portfolio. My goodness. Image. That will be link, status, and action. So this will be link. We'll add one more. So equals to URL public clients dot clients image, right? So this is the one. Then go on to create another one. So this is Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft. Then two Samsungs, Android. Let it be empty. And then the Apple, and the links empty for this one too. So the images are not looking much greater here, so I'm gonna add something over here, right? So instead of table striped, table hover, I'm using style here. Table. Background would be something like 333, and the color would be FFF. Let's see how it looks. Okay, this looks proper. Now we've got something to show off here, alright, and since we need to show it in the front end, we can go on the front controller and copy this one, make it clients. That's okay. Clients, right? Now what we're going to do is we'll go here in the client section and just make it here at for its $clients as $client is equals to $clients link, and the image will be on clients folder site public, and the image name will be the one from the database, right? Image, and for it here, refresh the browser and you can see the contents here basically. So you can add more, but in case you want it so limited, you can just simply take 4, and that will help you just display 4 of the items. The client section is done, and we can also this is the clients slug, right? Just like the portfolio slug, services slug, we can create the client slug. We get it here. Okay, so we got the portfolio, that's working fine. Services is also working fine. About us is also good. Home is also good. And the clients is also working fine. Now we have a team, and the team is also working fine. For the link, right? Now we have got add social links as we did in the first website setup. File, add the image, member, name, designation, and a little bit of description. So let's get on with that. Okay, so for the teams, I'll work the same way as I've done with the clients. Team slug. Now what I want to do is add a separate table for the teams. So we'll create something. Team. Make model team. We don't have that thing, right? So we'll go here. Team service together. So this will be teams, and this will be TID. Alright, so along with that, we have got this thing here, TID. So the first thing we'll want a string name, designation, then we've got profile, emails, emails, and you can always keep it nullable. Name, designation, emails, then we can use long text as intro, then string as status, and another string as social, right? We have already done the social part, so we can just copy and paste those things here. Let's find the same, so we can simply migrate the table, and then we can go here on our front controller and simply copy these things, and that will be teams, right? And the slug will work fine now. Now what we got to do is add a link, but before that I want to add team here, all members, and new member. New member. Alright. So I'll create a section for a new member. Investigate new member, admin controller, add new member. Alright, and I'll also add a route get that will post add member, and that will take us to CRUD controller, add insert data. Alright, so we've got new member, that will take us here, public function remember, and that will take us to written view backend dot insert dot team. Alright, so I'll use the new post blade, save it as team. Alright, and that'll help us get along with the thing. And there's cats that we don't need, so we can go to dashboard, team, add new, and this thing will appear, right? So we don't need the title, we'll need, what we need is name, then what we need is designation. So this will be name, designation, then we've got the description, we can say intro, right? Then we've got the emails, then we can say profile image. So it's got status, we need the social part, and for the social part it's better to go with the settings. We've got settings here, social, and we can simply copy this section and paste it here, right, along with CSS, sorry, JavaScript code that you would want to add here, and a bit of CSS that we added, a bit of it, right? So this is what we need. Undefined variable socials. We went a bit far for socials. That was not the one we didn't have. This was the one we didn't have, right? Okay, so this is done. You can add social links from here. And a bit more thing to add here. Let's prevent default. And that will make it stay on the same location where it is, right? So that is an effect. That doesn't flicker the screen. Okay, that's done. Then what we can do is go on to add the content, and this is not a new post, right? Team member. That's all we need. And we can keep it smaller, right? not a big deal. We don't need that much space to add a team member. We can do this, and we can display members here. We forgot to change the table name, add member. So here I'm gonna add some people. So the first will be my name. Okay, let's put Laravel some there. Then the image. Let's skip this one. And the social profile links we can do with okay, one is done. Another one. Let's see another one. And another one. Okay, so the status is on. Let's add this one, update it. So we have already done this, so we can go here and simply get things going, right? So we'll go to the team section, id equals to teams slug, right? And the title, I'll leave it as it is. So we'll go here, image source public slash, that will be teams, and $team image. For that we'll need to run loop from here, and for each $teams as $team, and that loop ends here at for each, right? So the image is done. We can go with the social one, and for the social one we have already done this thing, right? So that's not much worries. So we have got the teams. We can add teams, teams, right? And then we can go to the index file, and we can do it next to team area. We have only one data, so this will be the one we'll be saying here. Only one, right? No links, nothing. So here we'll add the name. Designation, and obviously go with the description of the team, intro, and that'll make it dynamic, right? Now what we're going to do is add the social links here, but we have to plan it out, right? So you can go to the front controller, then on teams, right? So there are multiple teams, and inside that there are multiple social links, isn't it? So we have to plan it hard way. How it works, let's have a look. So the first thing I'll do is for each $teams as $team. That'll break each of the team members into a single unit, right? And then I'll take the values from the socials. So we have done this earlier, we can just copy it. So let's do this first. Socials, $team URL, explode,
$teams social. All right. Team URL. Team URL. Let's have a look if it works. For it, $team URL as $URL, and that'll go here at Inversion, and that'll make it URL right? So you can simply remove this one and keep it as it is. So we've got all the Twitter icons, right? So we need to explode the links as we did earlier and simply get it our way. So we'll go here for it, $team URL as $URL, right? And then we can simply copy these things and $icon, okay, that's fine. Font, let's say $font, $icon, and let's say this is font, $font. Let's have a look. That works great. $font, and we'll need the key, right? So we'll have key over here. URL. Okay, that's done. Let's have a look. LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. Okay, that's all right. So we can go on to add few members, right? Let's see how it pans out. Okay. It's got 3, it's got 3, and it's got 3. So that's the problem, right? If you look at the database, you can easily see here's only 1, here's 3, and here's 4. So we've got to modify these things. Let's see how we can do that. So the first thing we need to do is we have to declare this is the data from this variable, all right? So it's always like this one, and then we can say this is like this. So we don't need team URL and font over here. That's a bit different, right? Because we are holding all the values inside the same variable. So we can go here and do it this way, and then we can do it this way. Let's have a look. That works fine. Okay, so this is single, it has got 4 values, and it has got 3 values, right? So you can do it in various ways, right? But I guess this one's the easiest one if you basically understand how PHP works. right?
Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.